What's up guys, today we are here the Samsung Galaxy Note 22 Ultra at the first reminder familiar camera and the branded span stylish included. Samsung has not yet officially present the flagships of Galaxy Note 22 and the resources of Let's Go to Digital's already shown the colorful and the readers of Galaxy Note 22 Ultra 5G, which will debut only the second half of the next year. So today we are going to discuss about this in detail, so please watch the full video. The contents, the Samsung Galaxy Note 22 smartphone should be special next year as they may be the latest model in the Galaxy Note series. The network has represently the resources of Samsung Galaxy Note will the close to the series and the would prefer of folding gadgets. In addition, in this year for the first time of the Galaxy S has received support for the properly stylish, which was previously features of Galaxy Note. As a result, based on the what already known about the Galaxy S21 line and its own expectations for the Note 22 lines, Let's Go Digital has performed series of 3D renders of the expect top model, the Samsung Note 22 Ultra smartphone. So it is expected so the flagships will receive 6.9-inch and LTPO LED display, which is the refresh rate and 144 Hz and the minimum and brightness of the at least 119 nits. Most likely there will be the screen of the scavenge metal frames, a glass surface and the cores. Support of a spawn stylish with the special complements of the storing and of the body. You can also confidently expect